In today's video, I will walk you through how to check exchange rankings on CoinGecko. In the current market, exchange failure is the biggest risk to your capital. You shouldn't be trading on any platform without verifying its health first. But how do you look past the marketing fluff? Today, we're using CoinGecko's exchange rankings to perform a rapid-fire audit on platform reliability and liquidity. Head to the Exchanges tab. You'll see two main categories, Spot and Derivatives. Start with Spot. What you're looking for isn't just the ranking, it's the trust score. CoinGecko calculates this based on liquidity. Can you actually exit your position without massive slippage? Scale. Is the reported volume supported by legitimate web traffic and on-chain activity? Operational history. Has the exchange been transparent about its reserves and regulatory compliance? Sort by trust score. If an exchange is in the top 10 but has a mediocre trust score, dig deeper into its volume distribution. If the majority of its volume comes from obscure low-cap pairs, that's a red flag for artificial inflation. If you're trading futures, switch to the Derivatives tab. Here, the metrics that matter are open interest and 24-hour volume. A platform with high open interest suggests deep liquidity for professional traders, but watch out for funding rates. If an exchange's funding rates are constantly disconnected from the broader market, it could indicate aggressive market manipulation by the house. Use CoinGecko to compare these rates across your top 3 exchange choices. The data doesn't lie, even when the marketing departments do. Before you deposit a single cent into a new platform, run this audit. Is the trust score green? Is the volume organic? And is the exchange actually regulated in a jurisdiction that protects your assets? CoinGecko gives you the raw data. It's up to you to interpret the risk. Stay skeptical, stay audited, and keep your capital safe. And that's how to check exchange rankings on CoinGecko.